We are now at step number 7, the final step of this course, and it's how can I make money blogging? Oftentimes people's favorite question and what they're very most curious about. So let's jump into it. So first of all, how can I make money with a travel blog? Well, there are a lot of little ways I want to dive into, and I'll show you some brief overviews, but some of the ways are through advertising, affiliate marketing, making your own products and services, and really doing this through building out your brand. How much money will I make? A question that is very difficult to answer because it all depends on your audience, the amount of brand loyalty you've built up, and everything like that. But I can say for the most part, most travel bloggers, it does take a good 6 to 12 months to start seeing some income. It does take a while to build that trust and that loyalty with your fan base. And as you progress, it does have the compounding effect of selling more and developing more of an audience. So to give you a better idea, some of the top travel bloggers, and I don't have exact stats on this, I just know I've followed a ton of travel bloggers along the way, and I think that the top travel bloggers start to make thousands of dollars per month, trickling into a 6-figure income, and I think maybe 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 once they become very, very well established. But again, it's like any industry, it's how much time and effort and how well you're able to build your business. And then what are the quickest and easiest ways to start making money? That's another huge question that everyone is asking. And I can say, as far as quickest, there are a lot of ways that you can simply throw up ads on your site, but I don't know if that is necessarily the easiest. The easiest might be through developing your audience and really starting to connect with people for the long term and having customers instead of one-time buyers. So with this, I just want to jump into a couple of the different ways that you can make money with travel blogging that are most popular. So one of the most well-known ways is through Google AdSense, and AdSense is where you're plugging in different ads throughout your site, and it really, once people click on those ads, you are making either a couple cents or a couple dollars per click. And so if you come over to google.com/AdSense, you can get started, sign up, and start plugging in different advertisements on your site today. Another option is affiliate marketing, and one great option for this is Amazon Associates. And so you'll have to go to Google Amazon Associates and get signed up for an account. But once you do, it'll look something like this, where if you're in Amazon, you can click on, say, a backpack, and then if you want to recommend it, you're able to make your own links, your own images, your own text and images. But if you click on this here, again, I have it fully set up and have been utilizing it for several years. But if you click on this, I'll have my own private code where if I post this and then someone goes ahead and clicks on this and they buy this product or any product, that's one of the nice parts about Amazon is once they click through to Amazon and buy basically anything after that, if you're the referring partner, then you're going to make a cut off of that. So for something like this, $125, you might make anywhere from a couple dollars to several dollars, depending on your account and how well you're doing at promoting products. And one of the last ways is making your own product or service. So for example, here's a travel blogger that has gone through the process of making his own photography course and has this set up to sell for right around $80 and sells hundreds of these per year or even thousands. So that's a great way, is creating your own brand, your own products, and really staying after it. And so with that, there's just a couple ways that you can make money travel blogging. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly or any ideas, and would love to connect with you further. Again, there are several other ways. Just make sure you stay business-minded, open-minded, and continually network with others. So I hope this helps, and we'll move on to the very final tips that I have for you.